Our family has come to love going to Dollywood and Dollywood's Splash Country. We have found, rather than buying single-day tickets, to get a season pass for each member of our family. You can see here from Dollywood.com you can get a silver season pass for $164 or a gold season pass, which includes parking and gives you a 15% discount on all merchandise and food. And if you look down here on the very bottom, you can see that you can add Dollywood Splash Country to any Dollywood pass for only $55 plus tax. So here's a look at the 2023 silver or gold pass park prices when you add on the water park. And at the very bottom here, you can see that you can add water park dining for $50 plus tax. So in this video, we're going to answer the question, what is the water park dining pass? Check out some of the menus to help you see what that would include and help you make the decision of if it's worth it for you and your family. If you add water park dining, you'll be able to enjoy a meal and a snack every day you visit the water park. I know what you're thinking, Ryan, what does that include? Don't worry, I got you covered. We're gonna go check out some menus, but first let's talk about what it does not cover. Cinnamon bread, or any food inside of Dollywood for that matter, as this is a water park only add-on. You may hear that Dollywood theme park has tasting passes you can utilize. This is a separate program, but don't worry, we'll explain to you how these work on some other videos here on the channel. Adding the dining plan won't get you every single food item available inside the water park, like these chocolate-covered bananas. So let's take a closer look at the Campsite Grill's menu to see what you could get with the dining plan. So here are a few of your one meal and one snack per day options. You can see the blue M's right here would be your meal options. Some of the options you could utilize here would be the cheeseburger, chicken sandwiches, chicken tenders, and some personal pan pizzas. And you can see a number of these family pizza deals that are in the middle of the menu here. Though they are a great deal, those, for example, would not be included in your dining plan as it does not have that blue M next to it. And down below here, you can see a number of snacks as well as this red S that signifies to you you can use it as one of your dining plan snack options for the day. Here's a look at the bacon cheeseburger that my daughter enjoyed from the Campsite Grill. And I thought I'd just point out that she didn't actually get her snack yet. She saved it on her pass for dessert. We'll show you some of those options here in just a moment. We've also taken advantage of the dining plan at the Big River Pavilion here, where they have some pulled pork and some barbecue chicken sandwich platters, which we just love the convenience of scanning our season pass and lunch is taken care of. You can also see a number of options here at Dogs and Taters, the meals with the blue M and the snack options with the red S. As you can see, this giant foot-long hot dog and curly fries was utilized as one of our meals for the day. By the wave pool, you'd find the watering hole, which has some options like a Fiesta chicken salad or a Southwest wrap, or we always love getting their nacho bowl. If my kids ever ask me for a bite, I can say no, they're nachos. You've got your own dining plan. Go pick out something yourself. You also will find some food trucks, not all of them, but some may have some dining pass options that are eligible. If you have any special dietary needs, one of the best places I've found with lots of wraps and salads is going to be Picnic in the Park. This has been our family's go-to as we've come to love the salads here, as well as utilizing these park mini meals that's included on your dining plan. You can also see some of the snacks here at Picnic in the Park. There are a few other concessions throughout the park, and each location will let you know which items you can use either that meal or the snack option on. One of my kids' favorite snack options for the day is to come over and get some Dippin' Dots or beaver tails, which I said you can't use it on cinnamon bread in the theme park, but this is the next best thing. You'll notice the classic beaver tail up in the top left does have that S logo, so I know I can just get a classic, or if I wanted to pay an additional $2, I could get some fancy toppings. And wrapping up the video, I wanted to give you a scenario that, let's say you spend about $14 on a meal and about $6 on a snack, so let's say $20 for the day. And if you ended up spending $20 a day over 3 separate visits, that would be over $60. So in my opinion, if you're gonna go to Dollywood Splash Country 3 or more times this season, it's absolutely worth it. My family loves it. It makes it so convenient. Just a reminder, you can add the water park at any time to an existing Dollywood pass, and if it's still available, you can add the dining option as well at any time. Just go up to any Dollywood Ticket Center or call 1-800-Dollywood and they will be happy to help you out. That's going to wrap up this video. I just wanted to mention that some of the pricing and menu items in the future are always subject to change, especially if you're watching this beyond the 2023 season. That's going to wrap up this video, checking out the Dollywood Dining Pass that you can use at the water park. Feel free to ask any questions down below. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you on the next adventure.